One product photo. That's all you have. Not enough for a campaign. Drop it into Igly. Instantly segment your product. Clean, precise, ready to work with. Now bring it to life. Place it on a model. Generate multiple angles, turning one image into a full product set. Change the scene. Studio, lifestyle, seasonal. Match your brand in seconds. Then expand the canvas for any format. Refine every detail. Restore clarity. Upscale to high resolution, ready for ads, marketplaces, and social. Want more control? Add reference images like logos or design elements, and tell Igly exactly where they go. Object Transform on Igly. Detect, select, and transform any object with AI prompts. Object in Paint enables users to edit specific areas of an image via brush plus prompt. Our chatbot feature, delivering high precise result with faster and smarter way. All of it built on one infinite canvas. No switching tools, no broken workflow. Just create, from one image to a full campaign, faster than ever. Igly, AI image editor with infinite canvas.